Okay, having a look at a little video on using logs to solve exponentials. So I do have another video going through this, but my class are on this topic at the moment, so I'm just recapping each of these skills. So 2 to the power of x is equal to 7. We're going to do log of both sides. And then we're able to bring that x down the front using our log laws. Then we're able to get the x on its own by doing log 7 over log 2. Then we're grabbing our calculators and we're going to use our log button here, log 7 divided by log 2. Don't forget to put that end bracket on there. And then we get 2.807. So we'll round that to 2.81. And then we can do a quick check on our calculator that 2 to the power of, and I can use that whole decimal by doing that, bringing that number down, and we can see that is equal to 7. So that is that question finished off. I'm going to do a few more different ones with logs coming up, so please stay tuned for some more log laws questions.